Hi, welcome to Kids Eye View at First Children's Finance. My name is Greg Ellison. I'm a member of the Board of Directors here at First Children's Finance. And today I have with me Tom Copeland, who's also a fellow board member and an expert in the child care area. And we're talking about the business of child care. Tom, can you tell us a little bit about your background?
Yeah, I'm a licensed attorney. I've been working with a nonprofit organization for the last 26 years. My specialty is business of family child care, looking at the areas of record keeping, contracts, marketing, legal insurance, money management issues. I've been a trainer across the country, trained thousands of providers each year, talked to providers on the phone, to provide assistance through books that I've written as well in this area, and I've done advocacy work with the IRS, representing providers in audits as well as working with the IRS to try to clarify rules that will help family child care.
Okay, great. When the general public thinks of child care centers, they more than likely think of it more from a service delivery standpoint of providing nurturing and a place to care for children for working parents. But as a CPA by profession, I tend to also look at it as a business. And there's a lot of talk right now about small businesses, the importance they are in the community. What advice can you give to a child care provider now in these tough economic times about the business of child care?
Yes, this is going to be a problem going forward for both family child care and child care centers. In general, the trend is when the economy is in decline and recession, people are losing their jobs, therefore they're taking their children out of child care. And at the same time, in the family child care field, when people are out of work, they look to family child care as a possibility of a way to make a living, so they'll become a family child care provider. So at the same time that the demand is falling, the supply is rising. And that, of course, creates a problem. In child care centers, we'll see demand falling, and they're going to have to scramble to fill those slots and keep their business going. Some general advice I give to providers, both homes or centers, in these kind of unsettling times would be they need to focus on how to compete on the basis of quality. In other words, I think those programs that do best in communicating with the parents about what the children are learning in their program and how their program is providing quality care will be more successful. By this I mean that the programs, homes and centers need to do a better job of explaining to parents why their program is good for these children. Why should I as a parent bring my child to your program? They need to be able to answer that question. I think the best way they can answer it is to give examples of the benefits of their program. What is it about their program that will help children learn? And they need to communicate this to parents so that parents understand. Too often parents who will have choices, I think will have increasing choices of childcare as the economy worsens. I think there'll be more people trying to provide care. With greater choice, parents have to be careful to try to identify quality. Unfortunately, many parents don't know enough about what quality means, and I think childcare programs have to do a better job of explaining it. And I think the business connection here is providers who are able to successfully communicate those benefits will be more successful as a business. I think they'll be able to connect their quality with the rates that they're charging. And I think there is a connection between the quality and rates, and higher rates means a better likelihood of success.